You're watching I am Winston Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. This is my July haul. Yes, this is my haul for July. These are the things that you'll be consuming. Here I want to introduce some items to you. Here I have breadfruit. Yes, in Jamaica that's very popular. This one is a roasted breadfruit. You roast it, yes. Roast it and peel off the skin after roasting it, and you can fry it afterwards. It is very delicious, very tasty. And these are green bananas. I don't have a plantain to show you the difference between the plantains and the green bananas. So those are what I have. The green bananas, I have those with sardine or mackerel, tin mackerel. That is. Alright? And here are the sardine steaks. You hear me talking about sardine steaks. See what it says? Beef cliff fish steaks. Yes, that's what I have. They're very flat. They're cut very flat, like they're sliced. And I'll be having some very special rice. Jasmine scented rice. It's gluten. It's gluten free. So what it says here, gluten free, low fat and gluten free. Yes. So that's what I'll be having. And the next item I'd like to introduce to, talk about the ginger tea that I have. This is the ginger tea. Honey, ginger, soursop flavor. And that is what the fruit look like. Right up my finger. That is a soursop, okay? I don't know if you have this in Philippines and in India. You should have that in the Philippines. India, I'm not sure. And also in Indonesia, you should have that. So that is a soursop, alright? So that's the soursop. And of course that's the ginger. So they make it into a crystal, and that's what it looks like. The tea is very flavorful, very delicious. Alright, so that's what I have. And the rest of the items you're looking at. And the next thing you ever heard me talk about on the channel, shaved steak. Yes, that's what a shaved steak looks like. They're sliced very thinly sliced. Very, very thin. So that's what I have also for my breakfast. And so there's a lot of vegetables here on the table and a whole lot of different items. See what it says here? Large cooked shrimps. Yes, but then when you start cooking them, it starts producing a whole lot of water, and the sizes shrink. They're no longer large. Anyway, so I want to share those things with you. This is some of the things that we'll be having during the course of the month that I'll be using to cook my dishes, the various dishes that I'll be making. Alright, so you're seeing this on the I am Winston Cooking 832 on the YouTube.
You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it